Hello guys, welcome to the ASTRO. So in this Python tutorial, we are going to learn that how to make a GIF image from multiple PNG images. So basically, to do this task, you need a multiple set of images. So in my case, I have 6 figures. So figure 0 and figure 0 to figure 5, and using these images you have to make multiple GIF images from this all plots. So the GIF image may look like this. I have a sample image and you can see that is a one figure, second figure, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So this way you can create a GIF or animation using this code. So let's learn how to do it. Okay, so first of all, import your necessary library. So import library. So I will import Imagio. So this will use to your import images from. Now give your file name. So give your all file name, so from which you want to create a GIF. Okay, so in my case I have said file equal to and give a image of the and name as an array. Okay, so I have 5 images. So figure 0.png, and in same way I have all the figures. Second figure, so figure 1.png, and the same way give all up to 5. So figure 2, then figure 3, and figure 4, figure 5. So now we have all the figures. Now go to the next step. So now use for loop to append all images into a single image. So for the type for I in file and then type image dot append and then pass your Imagio dot im read and pass your index. Now this much you have done. So run it, and also you need to give your image for appending all your eyes. Now run it. You can see here what is your image here. So basically this is your like RGB color code of the images. Okay, so basically it is like now. So now we want to see this GIF in a single file. So for that, go and type Imagio dot meme, save and give your file name. Save. So my first dot GIF. So this will put your GIF image. You can pass your image and image this into a single 5, and you can show it as a zip, and you can give your duration and give it as a 1. Now run it. So now we have successfully run the code, and let's check it what image GIF image you have obtained from this all 5 images from figure 0 to figure 5. So now go to your my first GIF and run it, open it. So here you can see that you can observe that your image is updating in GIF format. So it's this one image, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So this way you can create your GIF image from a set of different images. So I hope you got the idea that how to create GIF image from Python using Python code. So here is a Python code, the very basic code. I have imported Imagio library, and then I have read all the files related to the GIF in which you have to get all images into single. Then I have appended that image in a single matrix, and then I have plotted. Then I have saved that image into GIF format. So I hope you got the idea that how to make a GIF image. Thank you.